So, it's October 8th, 2019. These started at 6 a.m. It's now 7:50 a.m., but it started at 6 a.m. right after I dropped Robert off at work. I'm not sleeping very well either lately. I'm just getting I'm not comfortable. Really struggling here. Just wondering when physicians are going to actually follow through with their ideas. Going back and forth with one particular physician, Erratic, for the last year. Keeps talking about some corrective surgeries, which I'm very happy to try. Nothing's been scheduled, and I don't know how many times I have to keep chasing his tail. But these are professionals. They charge quite a bit of money, so I don't think I have to really hold their hands. So I'm just kind of poking and prodding every few months, and they have a responsibility too, and I can't just keep nagging on them. So here I sit waiting for physicians to follow through. Now that MetLife's back on board, I'm obligated to see doctors. Doctors cost money. MetLife pays me 40% less than I would when I was working. I'm supposed to cover these bills, so I don't cover these doctors that aren't doing anything. I mean, this is kind of permanent, as far as I'm concerned. Almost 4 years in now. It's silly. This whole thing's a silly thing. But really torturing and mess. It's disgusting.